Essay on National Unity Day. Introduction. National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated every 31st October on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was an Indian statesman, politician, and freedom fighter who played a crucial role in the political integration of India. A tribute to Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India who was instrumental in integrating small kingdoms into the Union of India. Before independence, he was a known social activist and freedom fighter associated with the Indian National Congress. He spearheaded the Satyagraha in Gujarat and also was active in the non-cooperation movement and Quit India movement. Though Sardar Patel was a renowned freedom fighter, his role as an administrator during and after the independence of India is more significant. When the British left India, there were nearly 565 independent princely states those got free. Sardar Patel, who also held the portfolio of Home Minister at that time, persuaded these states to accede to the Union of India. He tried every trick, convinced some or threatened with military action when required. He wasn't willing to compromise and let go of his vision and dream of a single united India throughout its length and breadth. It was this steely resolve of Sardar Patel on a united India that had earned him the sobriquet Iron Man of India. His passion for a political and culturally integrated India is commemorated as the National Unity Day on his birth anniversary. His passion for a first National Unity Day. The decision to observe 31st October, the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, every year as the National Unity Day was taken through an official notification by the Home Ministry in 2014. Ministry's official statement stated that the observance of National Unity Day will provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity, and security of our country. Events were organized at several places on the 139th birth anniversary of Sardar Patel in 2014. Run for Unity was organized in cities like Delhi, Nagpur, and Mumbai. Several politicians and sportspersons took part in the events. Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, along with Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, paid tribute to Sardar Patel at Patel Chowk in New Delhi. Commemoratory events were also held at Indian embassies located throughout the globe. People felicitated Sardar Patel and remembered his contribution to the integration of India. Events and activities. Several events are organized in educational institutions, schools, government offices, and other places on National Unity Day. Both the central and state governments issue guidelines to the concerned organizations in this regard. Special commemoratory events are held in schools, in which the children offer their respect to Sardar Patel and speak on his will and resolve for a politically integrated India. A 182 meters long statue of Sardar Patel was inaugurated in Gujarat by the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, on 31st October 2018. It is located 150 kilometers from Surat and faces Sardar Sarovar Dam. Thousands from various parts of India visit the statue and the museum on National Unity Day to pay their respect to Sardar Patel. A befitting tribute is also paid to Sardar Patel in the parliament by the members of the ruling party as well as that of opposition. Conclusion. Sardar Patel was the unifier of India who single-handedly was responsible for its political integration. If he didn't have an uncompromising attitude for a united India, we wouldn't be united as we are today. National Unity Day is a befitting tribute to the Iron Man of India and his resolve.